to our final 24 players. They are going to bowl 24 games of match play, and the top 5 players advance to the stepladder finals on Monday. These guys are going to bowl 24 head-to-head matches, 30 bonus pins if they win a match. And if a score is denoted in red, it means they lost the match. If it's in green, it means they won the match and got an additional 30 bonus pins.
I was notified by the PBA that they're going to give me 10 free tickets to the TV show to give to you guys. All you got to do, go to the front desk when you walk into North Rock and say Packy sent you for free tickets. The first 10 people to claim those tickets will get those tickets straight up. So it is not about me giving them away to random people. It's the first 10 people to show up, say Packy sent you for free tickets, and the first 10 people will get them. So if I don't see you this week, I'll see you guys Monday at the TV show. I bowled okay to start, just not great. Lost a couple matches, won a couple matches in a row, and then lost to KP to finish. However, I think I played lanes improperly where I was playing too deep, trying to throw it too slow and shape it, where once I moved left up next to the friction that is out there on the gutter and threw a little faster, scored much better, bowled better, much more consistently hitting the pocket, not as many splits. So I think going into the next block, I'm going to try and do the same thing. Just stay left, shape it off the gutter, use speed to manage whether it's going to strike or not, and hopefully catch a couple wins and catch a couple big games this next block, because I'm in 17th right now. By no means am I out of it. By no means am I in it. So I'm just kind of hovering around the middle. Hopefully looking to climb up towards the top.
I went 4-4. I thought I only won 3.
That's a big bonus then.
This is why I was trying to tell you that I am terrible at these recaps, because I don't never know what I bowl.
What do you throw?
I threw the old red urethane, the IQ urethane thing, the first 4 games, and it was actually pretty good. And then I had a couple of hits that I didn't like, and we bailed on it.
Against me?
Yeah. And then I tried to throw a regular IQ tour, and it was just a little too far behind it. Tried to switch to a phase 2, and even that kind of got behind it. So hopefully, I think I'm gonna try and throw some bigger balls this next round, and maybe get a little better reaction out of that later in the block. So it sucked.
How'd it go for you? Also, you should tell everybody that you throw on her global balls now.
Oh, yeah. Hello. Hello. Posted on my personal Facebook. Nobody saw that. Today was pretty good. Went like 340 over, scratch. Big boy numbers.
What were we doing?
Low games fresh, like the rest of the week. Trying to figure that out. Maybe drill another urethane. I don't know. Trying to figure out this. I've only been on a purple hammer for 7 years, and I don't know what to do. So I'm good once I got to get into reactive and slow belly it, but I don't know how to throw a urethane other than the purple hammer right now, so I need to figure that out. I was in last after 2 games, and now I'm in 5th. So scores are so volatile. Yeah, I was in last.
My man shot like 806 different ways.
Yeah,
Like,
I was in last. It was so volatile. You shoot 270, you jump like 10 spots. You shoot 190, you drop 12 spots.
Did both of those things today.
But
How'd it go for you, balloon boy?
I am addicted to playing with balloons. So after my run this week, no matter where I finish, I am going on the Balloon World Cup. I went 6-2. I bowled well. I won matches. I grinded away. I hit the good pairs. I was clean. I picked up 2 splits. I'm just a spare shoot machine nowadays. Let's get it.
Could have won no games, but somehow you let me win.
I'd let you win with 250. Let it happen.
I did. Yeah, you did.
First block of my first match play ever.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I'm batting 500, won 4, lost 4, threw the black hammer the whole time. All 8 games, just crushed it, hit it as hard as possible.
You know, it was really special to see father-son match up at this level of the game, and a legend like Chris and a future star like Ryan. And it hasn't happened many times in the history of the PBA. The most famous, maybe the only in this round of competition, was Pete Weber and Dick Weber, of course, both legends. And I talked to Pete before this match, and Pete told me he was 29-1 versus Dick Weber in head-to-head matches. He said he lost to him in Japan. And so now Ryan is 1-0 against Chris. You know, bowling is a great family sport. There's legendary families in the sport, and the Webers are the most famous, the Burtons, the Troops, and now you have the Barneses, the Bones, and others like Wes Malot's son, Ronnie Russell's son, and it's really special to see every time.
recapping the night block for me, it went really well. I went on a string of really big games. Game 1, I got the win at 217. Then I went 278, 250, 250, 250, all with wins, jumping me up the leaderboard. And I ended up finishing the night block. I think I started off the night block in 17th, and I finished in 10th, going 6-2 with 300 pins over scratch, and then another 180 pins of bonus. So I need one more block like that one to finish to give myself a chance to make the TV show, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be shooting some more high scores. So 10th to finish, got to get to 5th.